Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to write in different fonts in WhatsApp. So let's see. Go to your WhatsApp, choose a friend and write your message. See, I'm writing here hello, but this is normal message. Now I'm gonna show you how to make or change another font. If you place star and hello again, star again, you can see here your font is changed to bold. Then if you use underscore and write your message anything and underscore again, this will be italic. Okay, so if you choose this one and write your message and close this one again, this will be cut. And if you use this one 3 times and write anything hello, hi, what's up, and close that again, this will be like this font. So you can use these different fonts in WhatsApp. And if you want to mention someone in groups, then go to a group, write that name @Aisha, sorry, spelling mistake, Aisha. See, this is how you can change fonts in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the video.